barcode registration. My dear entrepreneurs, maintaining an inventory with a large number of items and serving a large number of customers with a slow traditional billing process in a busy retail store will affect the success of that retail store. So that every retail outlets and supermarkets are insisting the manufacturers to print the barcode in their product label. So if you are a manufacturer, this video would be very useful for you. In this video, we are going to reveal more information about barcodes. And if you are a business owner or if you are about to start a business, we have a gift for you. We have created a PDF document which consists of list of mandatory registrations, licenses, the documents required, and more importantly, the government links for that registration. We have created that as a PDF document, and if you are in need of that PDF document, we have given that link in the description box. You can click on to that link and you can download that PDF document. And this is Arif, your business lawyer from Intelligensia law firm. First, we'll see what is barcode. A barcode is a rectangular shaped image which consists of series of parallel black lines and white spaces with varying widths, which is readable through barcode scanner. These barcodes can be used in retail stores, warehouses, logistic, and even for accounting purpose. Okay, now we'll see what are the benefits of barcode registration. Number one, the primary advantage of barcode is it improves accuracy. Using a barcode in the billing or tracking process gives you much more accuracy as compared with a manual billing. Number two, the next reason why you need a barcode is that it is mandatory for export purpose. Not only for export purpose, even if you want to supply to big retail store or supermarket, you need barcode. Number three, it also improves inventory control. With the help of barcode, it is possible to track the inventory easily. Now next, we'll see what are the types of barcode. Basically, there are two types of barcodes. The first type is 1D barcode, that is one-dimensional barcode. They consist of vertical lines of varying width with specific gap resulting in a particular pattern. These type of barcodes can hold only minimum amount of data such as brand name, company name, quantity, pricing, and few other basic information. Under this 1D barcode, there are different types of variants available in the market such as UPC barcode, code 39, data barcode, and the popular one among the 1D family is EAN13. The second type of barcode is two-dimensional barcode. The two-dimensional barcode are more complex. They encode data generally in square or rectangular pattern of 2 dimensions. They can hold a huge amount of data and are mostly used in transportation and logistic purpose. These 2D barcodes cannot be detected or readable in a normal barcode scanner. Few common categories of these 2D barcodes are QR code, data matrix code, and PDF 417. Next, we'll see how to register a barcode. Registering a barcode is a simple process. First, you need to select the service provider. Once the appropriate brand or service provider is identified, you need to submit the necessary documents for obtaining the barcode. Further, by paying the necessary fee, the service provider will verify the document and allocate you the appropriate unique barcode. Okay, my dear entrepreneurs, in this video, I have explained you more about barcodes, its advantages, and the procedure for registering the same. To know more about business registrations and licenses, kindly subscribe to our channel. This is Arif, your business lawyer from Intelligensia.